Hello everyone, today we will solve a problem named Serval and Toxel's array. In this problem, you are given an array and you have to perform the number of operations. After performing the operations, you have to find a pair of distinct elements for all arrays. So let's jump to the drawing board. So we see that the first one will be the n, the number of elements in the array, and second one will be the m, the number of operations we perform. So we take the number of n elements and we perform the number of m operations. In every operations, we will take input p and b. B is the position and b is the value we replace. So our array will be like this: 1, 2, 3. After performing this operation, our array will be like this. We replace the first position element in the array. After performing these operations, the array will be like this. The second position of the array will be changed. So we will find three array different array. So it will be the number of m plus 1 array in every test case. For these three arrays, the number of pair will be like this: 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. So in every pair, we find the number of different elements. 2 and 3 will be duplicate, so the number of total distinct element will be 4. In this second pair, we find 5 different elements. In the third pair, we find 4 distinct elements, so the total will be 13. So our answer will be 13 for this test case. So now how can we solve this problem? First, we have to calculate how many elements after performing every pairs. Every pair we have 2n elements, because this will be n, this will be n, so the total will be 2n. It will be 2n into, and the number of pair will be m into m plus 1 divided by 2. So 2 will cutting, then we will left n into m plus 1. So our n will be 3 and m will be 2. So m plus 1 will be 3. So total will be 18. So in this whole, there will be 18 elements. At first time, we just calculate the how many elements will be there, with not removing the duplicate one. First we calculate this, then we remove the duplicate one from this. So how can we remove the duplicate one? You see that the 1 will be appeared at 1 time, 4 will be appeared at 2 times, 2 will be appeared 2 times, 5 will be appeared 1 times, 3 will be appeared 3 times. So we say that any element will be occurred x time. First we decrement x by 1, then we calculate x into x plus 1 divided by 2. This will be the formula, because you see that 3 will be occurred 3 times. For this 3, we said that the number of pair can be like this. This will be 3 times. 3 times it will be duplicated, and 3 times we remove. Okay, so our formula will be like this: into 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So this will be 3. So our x will be 2. Firstly our x will be 3, then we remove decrement by 1, then our x will be 2, and we perform this formula, and this will be deducted from subtract from this answer. If we see that the 4 will be occurred 2 times, so our x will be 2. Then we deduct decrement by 1, so our x will be 1. Then we perform this formula: 1 into 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So this will be 1. So we remove for 4, it's 1. So that's why we remove 1. So this is how we can calculate and find the answer. So let's go to the code. So we are in coding part. In the coding part, we first take the test case and run a loop up to the test case. In the loop, we call a function solve. Then we take the NMN. Then we declare the two errors, and when we take the element, we insert a sub-error. So our sub-error will be like this: 0, 3, 3. Because we inserted m+1, so our m will be 2 for this test case, and m+1 will be 3. So when we run the operations, we use the first element. So our first element will be this. So we deduct I minus m minus I. So m minus I will be I is equal to 0. So m minus I will be 2. So we deduct 2 from this. So now this will be 1 after summing. Then in the sub-array V position, so V will be 4. So in 4 position, it's not inserted. We inserted m minus I. So it will be 2 after performing first time of these operations, and we go to the second operation. So our I will be now 1. So m minus 1 will be 2. M minus 1 will be 1. So we deduct this from 1, and this will be updated to 2. Then so in the value will be 5 in the second operation. So in the 5 positions, we inserted 1 because m minus 1 will be 1. After performing these operations, we calculate the answer. So it will be n into m plus 1, the total all element in pairs. Then we run a loop up to the sub-array. So sub-array will be n plus m, sub-array size. So run the loop up to the m plus m, and we say that our sub-array will be like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So this will be the 0 position, 1 position, 2 position, 3 position, 4 position, 5 position. So you see that 1 will occur at 1 times, 2 will occur at 2 times, 3 will occur at 3 times, 4 will occur at 2 times, 5 will occur at 1 times. So we find when an element occurs, we use the x into x plus 1 divided by 2 formula to subtract from the answer. So that's why firstly we deducted decrement by 1, then we use this formula x into x plus 1 divided by 2 and subtract from the answer. Then we finally output the answer. So our answer will be 13 for the first test case. I hope you will understand the problem and explanations. Thank you for watching this video.